Hi, I'm Chris Peterson with Brazos 1031 Exchange Company. A very common question we get asked is about buying international property, property that's outside the United States. So someone will call and say, hey, we are selling this rental house and what we'd like to do is buy this vacation house in Mexico. So is that allowable under the 1031 exchange rules? And the simple answer is no. If you sell property within the United States, you're going to need to purchase your replacement property within the United States. So it doesn't matter, you can go from state to state. So if you sell something in Texas and you decide you want to purchase something in Delaware or Florida or Colorado, that doesn't matter. But if you decide you want to purchase something in Switzerland or you want to purchase it in Mexico, I'm not discouraging you from purchasing in Switzerland or in Mexico, but you just can't use a 1031 exchange to do that. So I hope that's helpful. It's a question that we receive all the time. Again, I'm Chris Peterson with Brazos 1031 Exchange Company. If you have other questions, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel, or check our website at brazos1031exchange.com, or you can give us a call. Thanks so much.